Tired of the daily grind? The constant 9 to 5 routine can be exhausting, leaving you feeling drained and unfulfilled. Day in and day out, the same monotonous tasks can take a toll on your mental and physical health. But what if there was a way to break free from this cycle? Wish you could work from anywhere, anytime. Imagine having the freedom to choose your own hours, to work from a cozy cafe in Paris or a beach in Bali. The digital nomad lifestyle is no longer a distant dream, but a tangible reality for many. Flexibility in work can lead to a more balanced and fulfilling life. Well, YouTube offers that freedom. It's a platform that allows you to turn your passions into a career. Whether you're into cooking, gaming, travel, or education, YouTube provides the tools and audience to share your expertise and creativity with the world. The possibilities are endless. It's not just a place to watch funny cat videos. It's a platform where ordinary people are making extraordinary incomes. From beauty gurus to tech reviewers, YouTube has become a breeding ground for success stories. These creators have built loyal followings and lucrative careers by simply doing what they love. Forget the old rules. YouTube is the new gold rush. The traditional job market is evolving, and YouTube is at the forefront of this change. It's a place where creativity meets opportunity, and anyone with a unique voice and vision can thrive. The barriers to entry are low, and the potential for growth is immense. People are making a living, even fortunes, by sharing their passions online. From ad revenue to brand partnerships, the income streams on YouTube are diverse and plentiful. Many creators have turned their channels into full-fledged businesses, employing teams and expanding their reach beyond the platform. The success stories are inspiring, and the opportunities are endless. Setting up a YouTube channel is easier than you might think. With just a camera and a good idea, you can start creating content that resonates with people around the world. The platform offers various tools and resources to help you grow your channel and reach a wider audience. Understanding your audience is key to success on YouTube. The platform provides detailed analytics that can help you tailor your content to meet the needs and interests of your viewers. By analyzing these insights, you can refine your strategy and continue to grow your channel. Engaging with your audience is crucial. Responding to comments, hosting live streams, and creating interactive content can help you build a loyal community. This engagement not only boosts your channel's visibility, but also fosters a sense of connection and trust with your viewers. Monetizing your YouTube channel can be done in several ways. The YouTube Partner Program allows you to earn money through ads, while other options include sponsored content, merchandise sales, and fan funding. Diversifying your income streams can help you achieve financial stability and growth. The success stories on YouTube are endless. From small creators who have grown their channels into major brands to individuals who have used the platform to launch new careers, the potential is limitless. These stories serve as inspiration and proof that with dedication and creativity, anyone can succeed on YouTube. The future of work is digital, and YouTube is leading the way. As more people seek flexible and fulfilling careers, the platform offers a viable path to achieving those goals. Embrace the opportunities that YouTube provides and take the first step towards a new way of working. Join the global community of YouTube creators and start your journey today. With the right mindset and a passion for creating, you can turn your dreams into reality. Forget the 9 to 5 grind and embrace the freedom of earning online with YouTube. Every successful journey begins with a single step. On YouTube, that step is creating your channel. But don't just click create and hope for the best. Your channel is your brand, your online storefront. It needs to be visually appealing, easy to navigate, and reflect your unique style and content. Don't worry, you don't need to be a tech wizard to conquer YouTube. Setting up your channel is surprisingly simple. First things first, you'll need a Google account. If you're using Gmail, you're already good to go. Head over to YouTube. Imagine walking into a supermarket with endless aisles of products. Overwhelming, right? That's what it's like for viewers navigating the vast landscape of YouTube. To stand out, you need a strong brand that sets you apart from the competition. Think of your brand as your channel's personality, its unique flavor that keeps viewers coming back for more. The YouTube algorithm might seem like a mysterious beast, but it's actually your best friend on the road to success. Think of it as a matchmaker, connecting your amazing content with eager viewers. By understanding how it works, you can create videos that rank higher in search results and get recommended to a wider audience. You've built a fantastic channel. Now it's time to fill it with captivating content. Your journey from idea to upload is an exciting adventure filled with creativity, strategy, and a bit of trial and error. Let's dive into the process of transforming your ideas into engaging videos that resonate with your audience. This is where your creativity takes center stage, but don't let the pressure of creating viral videos hold you back. The best YouTube content comes from a place of passion and authenticity. So what are you genuinely excited to share with the world? Start by brainstorming ideas that align with your interests and expertise. Think about the topics that you are passionate about and that your audience will find valuable. Jot down every idea, no matter how big or small, and don't be afraid to think outside the box. What unique perspective can you offer? Consider your unique experiences, skills, and viewpoints. What makes your voice different from others in your niche? Your unique perspective is what will set your content apart and attract a loyal audience. Once you have a list of ideas, it's time to refine them. Research your topics to see what kind of content already exists and how you can add your own twist. Look at the comments and feedback on similar videos to understand what viewers are looking for and what questions they have. This will help you create content that is not only unique, but also highly relevant and engaging. Next, it's time to plan your video. A well-structured video starts with a solid script or outline. This will help you stay on track and ensure that you cover all the important points. Think about the flow of your video. How will you introduce the topic? What key points will you cover? And how will you wrap it up? Storyboarding can also be a helpful tool to visualize your video and plan your shots. This doesn't have to be a detailed drawing. Simple sketches or notes will do. The goal is to have a clear plan before you start filming. Now let's talk about the technical aspects of filming. Good lighting and sound quality are crucial for creating professional-looking videos. You don't need expensive equipment to get started. Even a smartphone can produce great results with the right setup. Pay attention to your background and make sure it's not distracting. Use natural light whenever possible, and invest in a good microphone to ensure clear audio. Take your time to set up your shots and do a few test recordings to check the lighting and sound. Once you've filmed your video, it's time to edit. Editing is where your video really comes to life. Use editing software to cut out any unnecessary parts, add transitions, and enhance the overall look and feel of your video. Don't be afraid to experiment with different effects and styles to find what works best for you. Remember, the goal is to create a polished and engaging video that keeps your audience watching until the end. Finally, it's time to upload your video to YouTube. Choose a catchy title that accurately reflects the content of your video and includes relevant keywords. Write a detailed description that provides more information about your video and includes links to your social media and other relevant content. Don't forget to add tags to help your video get discovered by new viewers. Once your video is live, promote it on your social media channels and engage with your audience in the comments. This will help you build a community around your channel and keep your viewers coming back for more. Creating content for YouTube is a journey that requires creativity, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But with passion and persistence, you can build a successful channel that resonates with your audience and brings your ideas to life. So, start brainstorming, get filming, and most importantly, have fun with the process. Your next great video is just an idea away. You don't need a Hollywood studio to produce high-quality videos. In fact, some of the most successful YouTubers started filming on their smartphones. The key is to focus on clear audio, good lighting, and steady footage. These technical aspects can make or break a viewer's experience, so it's worth investing in a few affordable essentials. In the vast sea of YouTube content, authenticity is your life raft. Viewers can spot a fake from a mile away. Don't try to be someone you're not or imitate what's already popular. The most successful YouTubers are those who stay true to themselves and let their personalities shine through. Remember, people connect with people, not manufactured personas. Imagine your favorite TV show airing a new episode whenever they felt like it. Frustrating, right? Consistency is key to building a loyal YouTube audience. Regular uploads give viewers something to look forward to and signal to YouTube that you're an active creator, but consistency doesn't mean sacrificing quality for quantity. Creating awesome content is like throwing an epic party, but what good is a party if nobody shows up? Growing your YouTube audience is crucial for success, but it's not about chasing vanity metrics. It's about building a loyal tribe of engaged viewers who genuinely connect with you and your content. Congratulations, you've attracted viewers to your channel. Now the real challenge begins: keeping them hooked. Engagement is the lifeblood of a thriving YouTube channel. It's not enough to simply upload videos and hope for the best. You need to actively foster a sense of community and make your viewers feel heard. Data might sound intimidating, but it's actually your secret weapon for YouTube success. YouTube Analytics provides a treasure trove of information about your audience, their viewing habits, and how your videos are performing. Think of it as your channel's report card, offering valuable insights to guide your content strategy. You've poured your heart and soul into creating killer content, built a loyal tribe, and mastered the art of YouTube engagement. Now it's time to reap the financial rewards. While ads can generate some revenue, relying solely on them is like building a house on a single pillar. It's time to diversify your income streams and unlock the full earning potential of your channel. Diversifying your income streams means exploring various avenues to generate revenue. This not only stabilizes your income, but also opens up new opportunities for growth and creativity. One popular method is through merchandise. By creating and selling your own branded products, you can connect with your audience on a deeper level and offer them something tangible that represents your brand. Setting up an online store is easier than ever with platforms like Shopify, Teespring, and others. You can sell anything from t-shirts and hoodies to mugs and phone cases. Promote your merchandise in your videos and on social media to drive sales and increase your revenue. Another effective way to diversify your income is through live streaming. Platforms like YouTube, Twitch, and Facebook allow you to interact with your audience in real time, and you can monetize these streams through donations, super chats, and memberships. Engaging with your audience during live streams not only strengthens your community, but also provides a steady stream of income. Crowdfunding platforms like Patreon offer another avenue for income. By offering exclusive content, behind-the-scenes access, and other perks, you can encourage your most dedicated fans to support you financially on a recurring basis. This not only provides a reliable source of income, but also allows you to create a more intimate connection with your supporters. Brand partnerships and sponsorships are also a lucrative way to diversify your income. By collaborating with brands that align with your content and values, you can create sponsored content that resonates with your audience while earning money. Negotiating fair deals and maintaining transparency with your audience is key to successful brand partnerships. Affiliate marketing is another strategy to consider. By promoting products or services and earning a commission on sales made through your referral links, you can generate passive income. Be sure to choose affiliate products that are relevant to your niche and genuinely useful to your audience. Creating and selling online courses or digital products is another excellent way to diversify your income. Share your expertise and knowledge with your audience by offering valuable content that they can purchase and learn from. Market your courses through your videos, social media, and email newsletters to reach a wider audience. Writing an ebook is another way to share your knowledge and generate income. Whether it's a guide, a how-to book, or a collection of tips and tricks, an ebook can be a valuable resource for your audience. Promote your ebook through your content and offer it as a digital download on your website or other platforms. Hosting workshops, webinars, or speaking at conferences can also be a great way to diversify your income. Share your expertise in a live setting and connect with your audience on a personal level. Networking at these events can also open up new opportunities for collaborations and partnerships. Managing multiple income streams may seem overwhelming at first, but with careful planning and organization, it can lead to a more stable and prosperous career. Use tools like planners, project management software, and financial tracking apps to keep everything organized and on track. By diversifying your income streams, you not only secure your financial future, but also open up new avenues for creativity and growth. Remember, Your audience is your greatest asset. Keep them engaged, value their support, and continue to provide them with valuable content. With dedication, creativity, and a diversified approach, the sky's the limit for your YouTube channel's success. Take the first step today and start exploring new ways to diversify your income. Your future self will thank you. Happy creating! Imagine getting paid to talk about products you love. Sponsorships are a fantastic way to monetize your YouTube channel while providing value to your viewers. But remember, not all sponsorships are created equal. The key is to partner with brands that align with your niche, your values, and your audience's interests. Have you ever wanted to wear your favorite YouTuber's logo on a t-shirt or get exclusive access to behind-the-scenes content? Merchandise and channel memberships offer incredible opportunities to monetize your most loyal fans and foster a deeper sense of community. So there you have it. We've journeyed together from setting up your channel to unlocking the secrets of monetization. Remember, your YouTube journey is an adventure, not a race. It's about sharing your passions, connecting with a community, and building something you're truly proud of. The beauty of YouTube lies in its accessibility. You don't need fancy equipment, a film crew, or $1 million budget to get started. All you need is a story to tell, a passion to share, and the courage to hit that record button. The world is waiting to hear your voice, discover your talents, and be inspired by your creativity.